Stop paying $20 every single month for generic AI chat subscriptions. You can actually run Anthropic's most powerful developer model, Claude Fable 5, inside your local terminal for free. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate a 30-day ultimate trial, download the official GitLab command line interface, and launch Claude Fable 5 right inside your local project workspace in under 3 minutes. But running Claude Fable 5 as a local developer agent directly in your command line allows it to write, test, and debug your actual workspace files autonomously. Best of all, no credit card is required. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to gitlab.com. Once you are on the homepage, click the button to sign up. I recommend using your existing Google account to make the registration process as seamless as possible. Once you click that, GitLab will immediately send a verification code directly to your email address. Open your inbox, copy that numerical verification code, paste it back into the GitLab verification page, and complete the basic onboarding wizard. You can select any professional role and specific usage purpose that matches your user profile during this onboarding step. Once your main GitLab dashboard finally loads, look at the very top of your screen for a banner that says Start a Free Trial. Click on that link, type in any placeholder company name, select your home country from the drop-down menu, and click the button to activate your trial. Just like that, your 30-day ultimate trial is completely active. This trial level unlocks every single advanced developer model, including the highly powerful Claude Fable 5. Before we move on to setting up the terminal, if you want to stay completely updated on the best free AI coding tools, open source models, and developer command line interfaces, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. I release high-quality guides just like this one every single week to help you supercharge your coding workflow. Now, we need to bring this model's capabilities onto your local machine. Open a brand new browser tab and search for GitLab CLI download GitLab. Click on the first link to open the official GitLab command line repository. Scroll down to the installation section and click on the releases page link. I am downloading the Windows installer, but macOS and Linux are fully supported too. Once your download finishes, run the installer file, accept the terms, and complete the standard installation setup. Now open up your favorite terminal and type in the word glab. If you see a list of available commands appear, then the CLI is successfully installed and ready to go. We are only seconds away from launching the model, but this next configuration step is absolutely critical. If you miss a single part of this, you will not get access to Claude Fable 5 at all. In your open terminal window, type in the command glab auth login and hit enter on your keyboard. Select the first option for gitlab.com, select yes to authorize your Git credentials, and then choose web to authenticate. This will automatically open a secure browser window asking you to authorize the CLI. Click the green authorize button and your terminal will instantly log you in. For the final configuration step, go back to the GitLab website in your browser. Click on your groups on the dashboard and select your specific user group. On the left-hand sidebar menu, scroll down, click on Settings, and then select GitLab Duo. On this page, click on Change Configuration, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and make sure that the checkbox for Feature Preview is checked. Click the Save Changes button to apply this. Now go right back to your terminal, type in the command GitLab Duo CLI, and press Enter. You now have full, unrestricted access to the power of Claude Fable 5 directly inside your terminal window. You can run complex developer tasks, ask questions, write clean code, and let this advanced agent build out entire projects for you locally. Let me know down in the comment section below if you prefer using this GitLab CLI setup over tools like Claude Code, over tools like Claude, and I will see you all in the very next video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all in the very next video.